Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the memory based GATE 2022 Engineering Science Food Technology paper. So let's see. First question is, which of the following are omega 6 fatty acid? Option A is linoleic acid 18:2. Option B is alpha linolenic acid 18:3. Option C is gamma linolenic acid 18:3 and option D is arachidonic acid 20:4. This is a multiple select type of question and answers are linoleic acid, gamma linolenic acid and arachidonic acid. Linoleic acid is 18 carbon fatty acid with two double bonds at the position of 9th and 12th, whereas in alpha linolenic acid is 18 carbon fatty acid with three double bond at position of 9, 12 and 15, whereas gamma linolenic acid is 18 carbon fatty acid with three double bond at the position of 6, 9 and 12. In arachidonic acid, it is 20 carbon fatty acid with 4 double bond at the position of 5, 8, 11 and 14. Next is, second question is, homogenization of milk leads to disintegration of fat globules by option A is pasteurization and cavitation, turbulence and cavitation, turbulence and pasteurization and something, and its correct answer is turbulence and cavitation. This is MCQ types of question. Next question is, the lowest water activity supporting the growth of Staphylococcus aureus is, options are 0.91, 0.86, 0.98 and 0.89 and the correct answer is 0.86. This is also MCQ question. In most of the bacteria, the lowest water activity for growth is 0.91 but in the case of Staphylococcus, the lowest water activity is 0.83 to 0.86 for growth. Next question is, in dairy plant, rate of spray drying of whey depends on, option A is heat transfer coefficient of hot air, option B is shape of cyclone separator, option C is diameter of whey droplet and option D is temperature of incoming air. This is multiple select type of question, MSQ, and correct answer is A, C and D. Next is, which of the following are the correct pair of milling equipment and grain? This is also MSQ question, multiple select question, and option A is mist polisher rice, option B is brake roll wheat, option C is degermer corn and option D is rubber roll pigeon pea, and the correct answer is A, B and C. Means mist polisher is used for rice polishing, brake roll is used in wheat milling for making the flour and degermer is used in corn milling for germ removal. Parboiling, next question is, parboiling of paddy results in, option A is increase head rice recovery, option B is increase the nutritional value of rice, option C is increase in rice breakage and option D, one more option is there, and this is also MSQ question, multiple select question, and correct answer is increase head rice recovery and increase the nutritional value of rice. Next one is, in protein denaturation process, which of the following is true statement? This is also MSQ multiple select question. Option A is peptide bonds are broken, option B is process is irreversible, option C is increase in alpha helix and beta sheet structure and option D is one more option are there. Its correct answer is increase in alpha helix and beta sheet structure. When protein denaturation occurs, the hydrogen bonds are broken, not peptide bond, and most of the protein denaturation process are reversible process with some exception like egg denaturation is irreversible process. Next one is cultures used in the production of yogurt are option A is Streptococcus thermophilus, option B is Lactobacillus delbrueckis species bulgaricus, and two more options C and D. This is MSQ multiple select question and the correct answer are option A and option B. Next one is the most commonly used refrigerant in immersion freezing is option A is Freon, option B is liquid nitrogen, option C is dichlorofluoromethane, option D is monochlorofluoromethane. This is MCQ multiple choice question and the correct answer is liquid nitrogen. Next one is which of the following are correct? Option A is Reynolds number is equal to density of fluid into average velocity of fluid into internal diameter of fluid divided by dynamic viscosity of fluid. Option B is Biot number is equal to convective heat transfer coefficient into characteristic dimension upon thermal conductivity of solid. Option C is Nusselt number is equal to convective heat transfer coefficient into characteristic dimension upon thermal conductivity of liquid. And option D is Schmidl number is equal to kinematic viscosity upon mass diffusibility. This is MSQ type of question, multiple select question, and the correct answer is all options A, B, C and D are correct in this case. Next question is this is MCQ question, multiple choice question and matching type of question related to oil refining stages, and the correct answer is for degumming, correct matching is removal of phosphatide, for neutralization removal of free fatty acid, for bleaching removal of pigments, and for winterization separation of waxes. Next question is this is also matching type question related to food processing operation and their mechanism of action. In hammer mill, impact mechanism; in burr mill, attrition; in crushing mill, crushing roll, compression; and in knife, cutting. Next one is related to the type of packing. This is also matching type and the correct answer is aseptic packing is sterile food packed in a sterile package under hygienic environment. Modified pack is control of N2 and CO2 inside the pack. Active pack is related to makes non-passive, and vacuum pack is related to create a skin tight pack. Next question is this is also MCQ question and this one plot is given and correct answer related to heat processing of food is according to the plot shown here. This plot on x-axis process severity is there and on y-axis the value is there, and option A is 1 quality 2 safety, option B is 1 safety 2 quality, option C is 1 yield 2 safety, option D is 1 safety and 2 yield, and its correct answer is option B, 1 safety 2 quality, because on increasing the process severity the safety of food will increase and there may be the nutritional loss of the food when we increase the heat severity, so quality may degrade. Next one is this is NAT type of question, numerical answer type. Question is 100 kg feed is dried from 18% moisture content wet basis to 13% moisture content wet basis in tray dryer. Calculate the amount of water removed in kg during the process. We will apply mass balance here. First we have dryer, and in dryer feed is 100 kg and 18% moisture, whereas water is removed from dryer, that we take W, and product is output from the dryer, that we take P having 13% moisture. First we apply overall mass balance, that is 100 is equal to W plus P, and this is first equation. And again we apply mass balance on moisture content basis, then 100 into 18% moisture, then 100 into 18 by 100 is equal to water having 100% moisture, so W into 100 upon 100 plus P, product having 13% moisture, plus P into 13 upon 100. By solving this we can get 18 is equal to W plus 0.13 into P. This is second equation. We have two equations, first and second. By solving first and second equation, by subtracting second equation from first, we get 100 minus 18 is equal to 82 is equal to W minus W cancelled, and P minus 0.13 P is equal to 0.87 P, and by solving we can get P is equal to 82 upon 0.87 is equal to 94.25 kg. And by using equation 1, W is equal to 100 minus P, that means 94.25 is equal to 5.75 kg. So answer is, amount of water removed will be 5.75 kg. Okay, thank you.